Hi, my name is Natalia and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And today I wanted to talk to you about something that I thought was relatively important. So, when you go to a closing, if you are the seller, if you're the buyer, you're going to see a document called the title commitment. And the title commitment is what tells the title company what to do. What are some of the risks that they're going to have to get rid of before they'll be willing to issue a title insurance company, a title insurance policy. And so I wanted to talk about three things that can totally bring your closing to a halt if they come up on the title commitment. So, first thing that can totally stop everything in its tracks is they find an error in one of the deeds in the chain of title. And so if they find an error in one of the deeds, it could be a missing witness. It could be that there was no homestead status put in on the name of one of the grantors. It could be that there's an error in the legal description. So there's lots of different reasons why. But if this comes up, you are going to need a corrective deed, or they're going to require a corrective deed, and that can take litigation, finding people that were in the chain of title 20 years ago. So again, that can totally stop everything in its tracks. Two, if they find a mismortgage. So a mismortgage means like there's a chain of title that shows, people in the past and they'd borrowed money, and generally what you have to have is a satisfaction of record for those prior mortgages to indicate, hey, this was taken care of, it's all clear, no outstanding issues. But sometimes there isn't a satisfaction of record for a mortgage found in the chain of title in that history of that particular parcel. And if there isn't, either you're going to have to find the parties that are on that mortgage and satisfy, because that could be a possibility, or you're going to have to file a suit to get a satisfaction. And like I said, all those things can stop everything to a halt because it will have to be addressed, it will have to be taken care of, or that underwriter is not going to ensure that closing. And then the last thing that can pop up in the title commitment is a showing of delinquent taxes. If taxes are to the point of like severe delinquency, what that can do is cause a tax deed sale to be on the official records, and you won't be able to see it if you just go online. People actually do have to call in to verify with the tax collector's office to see, what's the situation, what are the outstanding taxes, and delinquency can be quite harsh. And if there is an impending tax deed sale coming up close or relatively close to your closing, the title company will not close it without everything being paid off before the closing takes place, because it's a huge risk. It would just completely undermine your future title. So those are three things that can bring your real estate closing to a halt. If you have any questions, of course, you can always call my office. My name is Natalia, and good luck out there, investors.